Previously on The Cooking Man.
And we have reached one of the densest cities in the world, Hong Kong. Let's go and discover it. It really feels like coming to a new country. Like you pass through immigration department, customs. It's really, it gives you that feeling. And welcome to Hong Kong. It looks like really shiny and then full of screens. That's Hong Kong. Thank you very much. So that's Hong Kong dollar. In terms of value, it's like really close to yuan. But yeah, it's Hong Kong dollar. We have to spend that one here in Hong Kong. Let's go and spend some money here. Yeah, for the hostel and other stuff I need that. So we are walking towards the hostel. I saw just these two signs. That means that Facebook and Instagram are not blocked here, which is a good sign for me because I'm gonna be able to post my videos. Out of station and we are in the city. That's Hong Kong, the first look. And Jesus is Lord here. So let's go. Hello. So first thing that you will realize in Hong Kong is that there are many foreigners and many tall buildings since it's really dense. One other thing, all the buses are quite like British style, like 2 floors. You will see here. You will realize that there are many homeless people here. Yeah, and then what I've realized also, there are many like sex shops, or yeah, the sex industry is like really well, I mean, it's visible.
Spicy okay?
Spicy okay. Hong Kong style. But something that I realized as well is that everything is quite expensive. Anyway, compared to China. So that's the night market, and it's not night, but they are open. So I mean, yeah. And I'm looking for a pair of pants. Let's see if we can find that here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop it right here at the night market for today. I'm gonna go get back and get some rest. See you guys tomorrow.